In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course and build a quiz in Moodle. First, sign in with a role that has the right permissions, such as an admin or teacher. From the dashboard, head to Site Administration, then open Courses and select Add a new course. You'll see a form with a few key fields. Enter the course full name, which is the title learners will see on the course page. Add a course short name as well. This is a concise label used in navigation and reports, so keep it recognizable and unique. Choose the course category to organize where the course lives on your site, which helps both you and learners find it easily. Scroll down to set the start date and end date. These dates help structure your course timeline and can influence when activities become visible or due, depending on your setup. The course summary is optional, but it's a great place to briefly explain what the course covers so learners know what to expect. When you're satisfied, click Save and Display. You'll land on the course page, ready to add content. Next, let's add a quiz. From within your course, turn Editing on by clicking the gear icon and selecting Turn Editing on. This reveals editing controls across the page. Choose. Add an activity or resource in the section where you want the quiz. Select Quiz and then click Add. Give your quiz a clear, descriptive name so learners immediately understand its purpose. You can configure timing if you want to open or close the quiz on specific dates or set a time limit, but these are optional. Grade settings are also optional and allow you to define how scores are calculated and displayed. When you're done, click Save and Return to Course to place the quiz on your course page. Finally, add questions to your quiz. Open the quiz you just created and click Edit Quiz. From here, select Add and choose a new question. You'll be prompted to pick a question type. Multiple choice is ideal for quick checks and can support single or multiple correct answers. True, false is great for simple statements. Essay lets learners provide longer, open-ended responses that you can grade manually. After choosing the type that fits your objective, fill out the question text, any choices or feedback needed, and the correct answer settings. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. That's it. You've created a Moodle course, added a quiz, and populated it with questions, all set for learners to engage and demonstrate their understanding.